century, the 1st of January 1701 to the 31st of December 1800. The 18th century has gifted English literature to entirely new forms. 1. The periodical essay. 2. Novel. English word novel is derived from the Italian novella, meaning new. Novel caught the spirit of the 18th century as the age of intellectual, sentimental and realistic play, and tried to instruct the readers, which would help them to a more purposeful and virtuous life. 1. Since the time of its origin, novel gaining popularity and growing gradually. 2. Today, recognized as the most dominant literary genre. A novel is a relatively long narrative fiction which describes intimate human experiences, normally in a prose form. A novel narrates a story with more details of time, place, nature, people and their minds, their gestures and activities. It creates the picture of the society of that time. Novel makes life easier to understand than in drama and poetry. In modern era, novel has adopted literary prose. The novel as a literary genre has a history of about 2000 years. Among the early precursors of novel, a collection of tales known as Greek romances dating from the 2nd to 6th century may top the list. These imaginative and delightful stories of ideal love and marvelous adventure has profoundly affected the creative writing for the next 1000 years. Though novel in the modern era usually makes use of a literary prose, the earlier threads of this genre can be found in Virgil's Eclogues or Malory's Morte d'Arthur or Geoffrey Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales. Murasaki Shikibu's Tale of Genji 1010 has been described as the world's first novel. The European novel is often said to begin with Don Quixote by Spanish writer Miguel de Cervantes, which was published in 2 parts between 1605 and 1615. In the 18th century, the appearance of newspaper and magazines attracted a large number of readers from the middle class. These new readers had little interest in romances and tragedies, which were appreciated by the upper class. Thus, need for a new type of literature arose that would express the new ideas of the 18th century. The 18th century new literature was characterized by the spirit of realism and denial of romantic features like enthusiasm, passion, imagination. After 1740, novel originated as the literary form in England. Increase in trade and commerce, along with the Industrial Revolution, had given rise to the middle class. A class of people had emerged to occupy an elite status. The realistic picture of everyday life and problems of common people depicted in the novels appealed to the newly educated class and was regarded by them as respectable reading material. Thus, novel as a form appears to have been designed for both to voice the aspirations of the middle and lower classes and meet their longings. The spread of machines could provide a time to the educated middle class for reading and discussions about the books. Drama and poetry were the 2 literary forms that were fading away. Novel was a combination of some features of them, and some new features were added to the form. It was the prominent form in the 18th century and onwards to encompass the social, political and cultural happenings and scientific progress. The Pilgrim's Progress by John Bunyan, 1678, and Orinoco by Aphra Behn, 1688, initiated the plenteous and colorful tradition of English novel and was followed by Daniel Defoe, Robinson Crusoe, Moll Flanders, and Jonathan Swift Gulliver's Travels, a famous satire. Other major novelists of 18th century are Samuel Richardson, Pamela, A Virtue Rewarded, and Clarissa, both epistolary novels, Henry Fielding, Laurence Sterne, and Tobias Smollett. The tradition was enriched by many other stalwart novelists such as Charles Dickens, Walter Scott, Nathaniel Hawthorne, Horace Walpole, Thomas Hardy, Wilkie Collins, H.G. Wells. The 20th century is marked by the modern topics in innovative styles and techniques and widened angles of the views by the novelists like E.M. Foster, James Joyce, Joseph Conrad, Henry James, George Orwell, Graham Greene, D.H. Lawrence, William Golding, Anthony Burgess. They widen the circumference of this genre by writing political, social, psychological and other modern issues in their novels. There are immigrant authors like Salman Rushdie, India, V.S. Naipaul, Trinidad, Kazuo Ishiguro, Japan, and many others. The contribution of women novelists. The contribution of women novelists to this great pageant cannot be neglected. The Novel of Manners, Evelina by Frances Burney. Gothic novels by Anne Radcliffe. A novel based on Signs of the Age, Frankenstein by Mary Shelley. Landmark novels. Jane Austen has been ruling over the minds of the people through her novels. Bronte sisters Emily and Charlotte have created their own place by their incomparable works, The Wuthering Heights and Jane Eyre. Mary Ann Evans alias George Eliot wrote the novels reflecting psychological insight. Virginia Woolf is the pioneer of the stream of consciousness technique in English novel. Agatha Christie created her own place by writing many novels based on crime. Hercule Poirot and Miss Marple are the evergreen detectives created by her. Harper Lee, Margaret Atwood, Toni Morrison and Alice Walker have elevated the tradition further to prosperity. Raj Mohan's Wife, by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, serialized in The Indian Field, was the first novel in English written by an Indian. The period after that is marked by few more novels written by the Indian writers. These novels bore either nationalistic virtues or social issues as their main framework. The major trio Raja Rao R.K. Narayan Mulk-Rajan and novelists changed the current of Indian English novel through their works. Anita Desai, Nayantara Sehgal, Arun Joshi, Manohar Malgaonkar recent years have witnessed the dazzling performance by Indian novelists like Kiran Desai, Arvind Adiga, Kiran Nagarkar, Salman Rishi, Arundhati Roy. Novella. A novella. The word originated from the Italian word novella, is a type of prose fiction which is shorter than a full-length novel and longer than short stories. It is a well-structured yet short narrative, often satiric or realistic in tone. It usually focuses on one incident or issue with one or two main characters and takes place at a single tradition. Some of the famous novellas in English are The Heart of Darkness by Joseph Conrad, The Turn of the Screw by Henry James, Death in Venice by Thomas Mann, Billy Budd by Herman Melville, Seize the Day by Saul Bellow, Pearl by John Steinbeck. Elements of novel, novella, plot, theme, characters, conflict, language, style. Theme is the central idea in the novel which can be expressed in a nutshell. It is a philosophical statement or a truth which the writer has put forth through the narration of the series of events in the story and characters acting in the particular setting. Plot is essentially the story or the course of events that make up the theme. It is created by the conflict either internal inside the mind of the character or external with other characters or entities. Plot may be simple, one plot, or complex, consisting the interweaving of many subplots. Story, plot, map, background. This includes the introduction of characters and setting. Rising action. This includes the events leading up to the main problem or conflict. The climax. This is when the problem reaches high point. Falling action. This is when the characters work to solve the problem or conflict. Resolution. This is how things end up in the story. Characters. Characterization is related to the plot as the course of events take place because of the certain behavior of the characters. Depiction of character can range from a thumbnail sketch to deep wordy, highly detailed verbal sketch. 3. Characters main described in its every aspect by the writer. Minor characters are not given much importance. Protagonist. The reader follows the actions of one main character throughout the novel. This character is referred to as the protagonist. Antagonist. Protagonist. Main character is in conflict with a character or an entity or a force, internal or external, which is known as antagonist. 4. Setting. Setting is the background in which the story takes place. Plot and character are the two major elements that are affected due to setting. There are several aspects of the setting. Place, time, period, climate or weather, lifestyle. 5. Conflict. The struggle between the opposite forces in the story is called conflict. The conflict in the story provides interest and curiosity about the plot. 6. Language and style. The language and the techniques used by the author for the narration of the course of events is known as the style. An author can use extensive vocabulary and high phrases, or he may be laconic and would write only to the point, or he may mix both according to the requirement for meeting his purpose. He may use linguistic devices to make the narrative effective. All these factors decide the texture of the narration and create an impact on the readers. Types of novel: realistic novel, picaresque novel, historical novel, epistolary novel, autobiographical novel, gothic novel, allegorical novel, utopian, dystopian novel, psychological novel, Bildungs Roman novel, stream of consciousness novel, science fiction, detective fiction. 1. Realistic novel. The realistic novel is a fiction that gives the effect of realism. Sometimes this is also called a novel of manner. It can be characterized by its complex characters with mixed motives that are rooted in the social class. The characters in the realistic novel interact with other characters and undergo plausible and everyday experiences. 2. Picaresque novel. The word picaresque is originated from the Spanish word picaro, which means a rogue. A picaresque novel narrates the adventures of the protagonist, who is an eccentric or disreputable person, in an episodic form. 3. Historical novel. A historical novel is a novel set in a period earlier than that of the writing. 4. Epistolary novel. The word epistolary derives from the Latin word epistolar, which means a letter. The epistolary novel is that in which the writer presents the narrative through a series of correspondence or other documents. Although letters are the most common basis for epistolary novel, diary entries are also a popular form of this type. 5. Gothic novel. The novels that include terror, mystery, horror, thriller, supernatural, doom, death or decay or haunted buildings are called the Gothic novels. 6. Autobiographical novel. The autobiographical novel is a novel based on the life of the author. However, the author changes the places and names of characters, or even may change or avoid certain details of his life. It may or may not be in the first-person narration. 7. Allegorical novel. An allegory is a story that bears more than one level of meaning. The surface meaning of such novel is different from the symbolic meaning of it. The symbolic meaning of an allegory may be is a story that bears more than one level of meaning. The surface meaning of such novel is different from the symbolic meaning of it. The symbolic meaning of an allegory may be political, religious, historical, or philosophical. 8. Utopian, dystopian novel. Utopia is an imaginary community or society possessing the ideal qualities. It is a common literary theme, especially in science fiction or speculative fiction. 9. Psychological novel. Psychological novel is the work of fiction that treats the internal life of the protagonist or even the other characters as much as the external factors. 10. Stream of consciousness novel. Stream of consciousness is a phrase coined by William James in his treatise Principles of Psychology, 1890. It means the flow of the thoughts. Incidents in the plot are in the sequence of their occurrences. The novelist narrates them as they enter the mind of the character. 11. Bildungs Roman novel. The German word Bildungsroman indicates growth. The fictional biography or autobiography is concerned with spirit and characters from their childhood to adulthood. In the first half of the 20th century, a cult of pulp magazines became popular in which fantastic fiction for the general entertainment of the masses was printed on the cheap pulp paper. The pulp fiction era provided a building ground for the detective novels and science fiction. Science fiction is a genre of speculative fiction dealing with imaginative concepts such as futuristic setting, futuristic science and technology, space travel, time travel, parallel universes and extraterrestrial life. Science fiction often explores the potential consequences of scientific and other innovations. Frankenstein by Mary Shelley, 1823, is considered the first novel based on science and technology. The genre flourished in the second half of the 19th century. Detective fiction is a subgenre of crime fiction and mystery fiction in which an investigator or a detective, either professional or amateur, investigates a crime, often a murder.